Hi beautiful, here are some scarf styles for you. Here we are using a square scarf. Use a hook, pass it through its edges. Now tie the edges behind your neck. Take the other two edges and tie a knot behind your back. And you are done. I hope you are going to like it. Next again, fold your scarf. Now hold it from the middle and tie a knot. Now take its edges and tie a knot behind your neck. Take the other two edges, roll them and tie a knot behind your back. Now wear your coat and you are done. The next one, fold your scarf. Wear it around your neck and pass its edge through the buttonhole of your cardigan. Now pass it through the button spaces of your sweater or cardigan. And now pass it through the button spaces in the zigzag motion like this. Now loose it, open it like this and you are done. And tuck it in the pants. Now in the next one, wrap the scarf once around your neck. Now take both of its edges and tie a double knot like this, and your simple look is ready. It is very easy to do. In the next one, we are going to use a long scarf. It is thin long scarf. Now make a loop like this and pass both of the sides through the loop. Pull both of the sides and you are ready. In the next one, cross both of the sides and make two loops, passing it from upper to down side like this, and pass both of the edges through these loops and open both of the sides like this, and you are done. In the next one, wrap the scarf once around your neck, loose it. Now cross both of the sides and now pass them through the folded part and you are done. In the next one, roll both of the sides like this. Now make a loop around your fingers and pass both of the sides through the loop to the opposite direction. Open the folds and your beautiful look is ready. So next, fold your scarf. Now secure with the help of a hair tie or a rubber band. Now open it and wear it around your neck. Now pass its sides through the loop like this and open the upper folds and your beautiful look is ready. I hope you are going to like it. Next we are using a long scarf. Tie a knot in the middle. Now cross over behind your neck. Now pass both of the edges of scarf through the knot. Now set your scarf and you are done. I hope you are going to like these scarf styles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.